Hi, I'm Liz Need, and this is another segment of the Inspired Vision series. I'm going to talk to you today about whether or not something is better than nothing. And this is actually the perfect day for it. I had this idea last night. I was going to shoot it this morning, and then I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep until 3 o'clock in the morning, and I woke up tired and feeling a little bit behind. My day was busy. I had a basketball game I had to take my daughter to, and so here it is, 9 o'clock, and I am shooting this video. This is not exactly the way I pictured it. I thought it'd be perfect and fresh in the morning, that I would write my script and then immediately speak it to you into the camera. But I made a promise to myself that I was going to do at least one video a day for 30 days. I'd really like to do 3 or 4. But it's the end of the day, and I'm going to keep my promise to myself. And that's why this is a perfect moment for me to say to you, something really is better than nothing. Now, if you're like me, you like things to be done with excellence, and so you wait for opportunities to come where you have the time and the resources and the energy so that you can do things with that full commitment. And of course, that's the best way to do it. But most of life does not afford us these opportunities. We have to make things happen when we have the time to do it because we have the commitment. So let's take a look at your life. Where are there opportunities where you should do a little something, and at the end of many weeks and months, those little somethings will actually add up to something significant? It could be that you have to make a good decision about your health, maybe a good choice of what you're going to eat, or maybe you need 10 minutes to start walking and you don't have that big beautiful hour to get the fresh air and to get the full benefit of what a walk would do for you. But if you do 10 minutes, it leads to 15 minutes, and then it leads to an hour, and then pretty soon you're doing exactly what you meant to do. And it all started with that little something that was better than nothing. Maybe you have goals to spend time with your children, or you need to work on your career. Maybe you have a friend that you really love and you need to spend time with them, but because you don't have the kind of time that you would both like, you don't make that phone call, and then suddenly you're not as close as you thought you were. You need to take the opportunities as they come. This takes intentional and focused and mindful living, because you have to realize what are you going to do with that 10 minutes? Are you ushering that 10 minutes away as if it's nothing? Or can you take that 10 minutes and turn it into something that ends up being excellent? I'm glad that I took this moment late at night when I've really been through a long and hard day to tell you that something is better than nothing. I'm making this video. I'm keeping my word to myself. And by the time this process is over, I will have more of what I want. And even the small little snippets will be excellent. So I hope that you can appreciate this. I hope that you will come alongside me and look at your life and examine it and see where can you take those little bits of time and turn it into something amazing.